There is an interesting truth about life that many men only discover after years of experience. As you grow older, people often assume your greatest years are behind you. Society celebrates youth, speed, and constant excitement. It praises those who are always chasing the next achievement or the next trend. But real life teaches a different lesson. With every difficult experience, every failure, every success, and every lesson learned, a man develops something far more valuable than youthful energy. He develops wisdom. Wisdom cannot be purchased. It cannot be copied from a book overnight. It is earned through mistakes, patience, and years of living. That wisdom becomes one of the greatest strengths a man can possess. Yet, even the wisest man can lose his balance if he forgets who he is. One situation that often tests emotional discipline is becoming attracted to someone significantly younger. Age differences alone are not the problem. Many healthy relationships exist between people of different generations because they are built on honesty, mutual respect, and shared values. The challenge appears when excitement begins replacing clear thinking. A man who has spent decades building confidence can suddenly begin questioning himself. He wonders whether he is interesting enough. He worries about his appearance. He starts comparing himself with younger men who seem to have endless energy and fewer responsibilities. These thoughts rarely arrive all at once. They appear quietly. At first, he changes one small habit, then another. Soon, he finds himself speaking differently, dressing differently, and behaving differently, not because those changes reflect his personality, but because he hopes they will make him more appealing. This is where confidence begins to disappear. True confidence is never created by imitation. It comes from authenticity. Think about the people you naturally respect. Are they constantly trying to impress everyone around them? Usually not. The strongest personalities rarely demand attention. Their confidence comes from knowing exactly who they are. They speak calmly, they make decisions carefully, they do not rush to prove themselves because they already understand their own value. This lesson becomes especially important in relationships. Many men mistakenly believe attraction is built through constant effort. They think they must always entertain, always impress, always say the perfect thing. In reality, lasting attraction often grows from emotional stability. People naturally feel comfortable around someone who remains calm during uncertainty. Imagine two different men. The first constantly worries about every conversation. If a message goes unanswered for several hours, he immediately assumes something is wrong. He checks his phone repeatedly. He begins creating stories inside his own mind. The second notices the silence but continues living his life. He finishes his work, spends time with friends, exercises, reads, and continues pursuing his goals. Which man appears more confident? The answer is obvious. Confidence is demonstrated through actions, not declarations. One of the greatest lessons from Stoic philosophy is that we should never allow external events to completely control our inner peace. You cannot control another person's emotions. You cannot control whether someone chooses to stay. You cannot control how quickly another person replies to a message, but you can always control your own response. That single realization changes everything. When your happiness depends entirely on another person's attention, you give away your emotional freedom. When your confidence comes from your own principles instead, no temporary disappointment can completely shake you. This does not mean becoming cold or emotionally distant. It means remaining emotionally balanced. Balance allows you to enjoy someone's company without becoming dependent upon it. Unfortunately, many men confuse attention with validation. These are not the same thing. Attention is something another person may choose to give today and withdraw tomorrow. Validation is something many people desperately seek because they have stopped believing in themselves. A man who constantly seeks validation often begins sacrificing his own standards. He agrees with everything, he apologizes unnecessarily, he hides his real opinions. He fears disagreement because he believes disagreement will end the relationship. Ironically, this behavior often creates the very outcome he fears. Authenticity builds respect. Pretending builds anxiety. Consider a tall oak tree during a storm. Strong winds push against it from every direction. The tree bends slightly, but its roots remain deep in the ground. Now imagine a shallow plant with weak roots. The smallest storm pulls it from the soil. Confidence works the same.